Listen, everyone knows the system's broken. Institutions rot from the inside, full of people playing safe, chasing comfort, protecting their turf instead of facing hard truths. If you're a founder, investor, or leader trying to push something real forward, you're living this pain daily. You see talent ignored just because it doesn't fit the usual mold. You watch smart people sidelined, while clout and legacy run the show. It's maddening. You feel stuck, knowing the rules reward the wrong things, and real merit isn't what drives decisions anymore. Here's the brutal truth. Meritocracy, as most talk about it today, is a joke. It's twisted, hollow, and often just a cover for those already in power to keep their grip. So, stop hoping the old frameworks fix this. They won't. You have to flip the script completely and start building meritocracy from scratch, in ways so raw and real they disrupt everything rotten. Step 1. Stop pretending credentials and titles are proof of ability. Tear down your own biases. That means ruthless, ongoing evaluation. Everyone on your team, including yourself, must be constantly measured by what they actually deliver. Not politics, not comfort zones. Real, measurable impact. And you gotta create brutal feedback loops, not soft compliments. Honest, aggressive, data-backed feedback that makes people grow or get out. Step 2. Build your teams like a portfolio of rare assets, each person chosen for a unique advantage, something no other teammate brings. Diverse, sharp, and complementary, not clones of the status quo. If your group looks too safe or familiar, you're replicating decay. Diversity here isn't charity, it's a weapon. Every difference is a power-up if you know how to use it. Demand these differences clash, challenge, and evolve your ideas. No harmony for the sake of comfort. Conflict is the engine of merit. Step 3. Reward risk and learning over stability and seniority. Institutional decay feeds on people clinging to old ways. Fire up incentive systems that give huge upside only to those who step outside the line, who take smart bets, fail fast, and learn faster. Cut the nonsense where time served means security. In merit-based systems, you only keep your spot by proving you add more value than the newest competitor, every damn day. Step 4. Own your network better than anyone else. The old institution stacks fail because they're isolated bubbles or bureaucratic towers. You need a relentless global focus, eyes wide open to the best minds everywhere, regardless of passports or LinkedIn titles. Real meritocracy demands connection to rare, brilliant individuals outside your comfort zone. Stop pretending local bubbles are enough. Expand your reach, deliberate and strategic. Step 5. Don't settle for surface-level transparency. Most merit systems claim to be open, but hide their real criteria. You have to build radical clarity, something so simple and brutal that no one can game it. If someone benefits without earning it, expose that quickly and remove it. Meritocracy only works when trust is based purely on visible, undeniable ability and output, nothing else. Finally, this is the hardest part. You must lead yourself first with brutal honesty, the same standards you hold others to. No mercy on your ego, no shortcuts. Meritocracy doesn't forgive weakness, only encourages relentless improvement. When you do this, the power shifts. You start healing decay not by patching it, but by cutting out rot and growing new, alive structures wherever you move. This isn't a theory or a feel-good mantra. It's a battle plan. If you want institutions that last, that innovate, and drive real change, build merit on sweat, results, and constant challenge. Keep it simple. Keep it hard. Keep it real. That's how genuine meritocracy cures decay, by refusing to accept anything less than being better every single day. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit the featured link to discover more.